Hello. Today I want to talk about chapter number 7 entitled Research Question and Hypothesis from the book Research Design Qualitative, Quantitative and Mixed Methods Approaches by John W. Creswell. Here, Creswell talks about different types of uh, formats of research questions or hypothesis in different research methods. So here, research questions and hypotheses narrow the purpose stated and become major signpost for the readers. Qualitative researchers ask at least one central question and several sub-questions. They begin the questions with words such as how or what and use exploratory verbs such as explore or describe. They pose broad, general questions to allow the participants to explain their ideas. They also focus initially on one central phenomena of interest. The questions may also mention the participants and the site for the research. In quantitative research, the researchers write either research questions or hypotheses. Both forms include variables that are described, related, categorized into groups for comparison, and the independent and dependent variables are measured separately. In many quantitative proposals, writers use research questions. However, according to the author, a more formal statement of research employs hypothesis. These hypotheses are predictions about the outcomes of the results, and they may be written as alternative hypotheses specifying the exact results to be expected, more or less higher or lower of something. They also may be stated in the null form, indicating no expected difference or no relationship between groups on a dependent variable. Typically, the researcher writes the independent variables first, followed by the dependent variable or variables. One model for ordering the questions in a quantitative proposal is to begin with descriptive questions followed by the inferential questions that relate variables or compare groups. The author encourages mixed methods researchers to construct a mixed methods questions in their studies. This question might be written to emphasize the procedures or the content of the study, and it might be placed at different points in the research work. By writing this question, the researcher conveys the importance of integrating or combining the quantitative and qualitative elements. Several models exist for writing mixed methods questions into studies. Writing only quantitative questions or hypotheses and qualitative questions, or writing both quantitative questions or hypotheses and qualitative questions followed by a mixed methods questions, or writing only a mixed methods questions. These are the three possible ways of presenting the questions in the mixed method research. So that's all for today. Let me know how did you find, because I am not using any examples in this specific short video, but you let me know in comments so that I can include more aspects into this particular topic, and I can make it more comprehensible and easy to understand for all of us. So thank you from my side.